going to start lesson number 1, human body. So last class we learned from semester 1 book, isn't it? So first we had our book Sem 1. So we finished all the lessons in that book, and now we came to the next one, Sem 2, semester 2 book, and now we are going to start the new lesson. So the lesson name is lesson 1, human body. So here we are going to learn about the human body and the organs and functions of human body. The human body. So children, take page number 11. So can you see here what is given here? Page number 11, the human body. The human body is divided into head, trunk and limbs. The human body is divided into head, trunk and limbs. Here, the head consists of eyes, ears, nose, tongue and brain. So the head consists of eyes, ears, nose, tongue and brain. The chest and the abdomen from the trunk, the upper trunk has the chest and the lower trunk has the abdomen. So here the upper chest is in the upper trunk and the abdomen is the lower trunk. Our neck connects the head to the trunk. So our neck connects the head to the trunk, which means our half body. So is it clear, children? Here the next one. Hands and legs from limbs. Our hands and legs from limbs forms the limbs. Our hands and legs forms the limbs. So we said that head, trunk and limbs. So from here it is our neck, from our abdomen it is our trunk, and down to it till the legs and feet it is our limbs. So here our hands and legs forms the limbs. Limbs are joined to the trunk. So to the trunk, these hands and legs are joined. The human body is made up of small structures called cells. The human body is made up of small structure called cells. Cells are the smallest unit of the body. Here, cells are the smallest unit of the body. They are the very smallest unit of the body. There are millions of cells in the human body. So here there are millions of cells. There are millions of cells in the human body. Cells are too tiny and can be seen only using microscopes. So these cells are very small, too tiny. You cannot see them through your naked eyes. So that you can only see them through microscope. Here. Then many similar cells together forms a tissue. Many similar cells. Many cells joins together and forms a tissue. When number of cells are joined, they forms tissues. So when number of tissues forms, when number of tissues joins, they forms organs. Here, different tissues combine together to form large unit of organs. Is it clear, children? So here, the number of tissues. We said that cells together join the tissues and tissues. So here, we said that cells together forms tissues, tissues together forms organs. Is it clear, children? So now we will learn organ system. So now we are going to learn about organ systems. So now first we will learn organs carry out different functions in our body. Organs can be either internal and external. There are so many organs which you can see through your eyes and which you cannot see which is inside your body. So that's why they are divided into two types. One is internal, which is various functions. So here now children, we are going to see the main organ system of our body. So they are skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. So children, you can see here the first one is skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. These are all the systems which is inside our body. Let us now learn about the organ systems in our body. So now we will start to learn about each system in our body. So the first one is skeletal system. The first one is skeletal system. The hard part that we can feel under the skin and our bones. So it is very hard. So when you see the skeletal system, it is very hard, which is under the bones and skin. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeletal system. So the framework of the bone. So the outer layer of the bone is called the skeletal system. There are 206 bones in the human of an adult human being. So here if it is in the adult human being, there are 206 bones. How many bones are there, children? 206 bones. So now the functions of skeletal system. What is the function? Why it is doing? What it is working? So here it protects internal organs such as the heart, lungs and stomach from getting injured. So this protects our internal organs like such as heart, lungs and stomach by getting injured. If I am going to suddenly hit somewhere else, my skeletal system will protect my inner organs. It gives shape to the human body. So it gives shape to the human body. So this is my hand, this is my leg, so this is my face like that. The skeletal system gives shape to our human body. It provides support to the human body. It provides support. So if you are going to stand, it supports you. Your spinal cord supports you. It helps in the movement of different body parts. So I am going to move my fingers and my hand. So like that it helps in movement of different body parts. So this is the functions of skeletal system. The next one, muscular system. The next one what we are going to learn is muscular system. The soft part under the skin covering the bones is called muscular system. So it is not such hard as skeletal system. It is very soft under the skin. It is very soft under the skin, which under the skin covering the bones are called muscles. All the muscles together forms the muscular system. So all the muscles throughout your body is called the muscular system, which forms the muscular system. The functions of muscular system. So now we are going to see what is the function of muscular system. So the first one, it helps in the stretching and bending of our hands and legs. So it helps in stretching and bending. So when you are going to stretch and when you are going to bend, it helps for your bending and stretching. It helps in body movements such as walking, lifting and running. So when you are going to walk, you have to move your bones and whole leg, isn't it? So this is very much useful. This muscle is very much useful to move your body. For example, like walking, running and lifting. And the next one, muscles works closely with the skeletal system and forms the, so this muscles is very close to skeletal system. So inside the skeletal, when it is your bone, around the bone you can see your muscles. So it is very close to the skeletal system. That's why it is called musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system. Is it clear, children? So children, the next one is circulatory system. Here, the next one is circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart, blood and blood vessels. Arteries and veins. The blood vessels means arteries and veins. Forms the circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels. Blood vessels means arteries and veins forms the circulatory system. There are 3 types of blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels. What are they? Arteries, capillaries and veins. Arteries, capillaries and veins. of blood vessel. With the help of blood vessel, the heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. The next one. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. The arteries carry the oxygen-rich, that means good blood to all parts of our body, and the veins carry oxygen-poor blood from all parts of the body. That means the bad blood, we will assume it like a bad blood, which is there is no oxygen in the blood. So the veins carry oxygen-poor blood and the arteries carry oxygen-rich blood. So what is the work of the circulatory system? It gives or it circulates blood to the whole part of the body. The next one is respiratory system. Your next one is respiratory system. We are alive because we are breathing in air. So we are all alive. Why? Because we breathe in air. That's why we are all alive. We breathe in oxygen from the air and breathe out carbon dioxide. So we will breathe in oxygen from the air. So from the environment, we will breathe in oxygen. So from the environment, we breathe in oxygen and we will breathe out carbon dioxide. Our body needs oxygen for it to function. So our body needs oxygen to function. The organ system that helps us breathe is called the respiratory system. So what are all the organs which has been used for this breathing is called the respiratory system. The mouth, nose, windpipe and lungs forms the respiratory system. The mouth, the nose, windpipe and lungs. What are they? Mouth, nose, windpipe and lungs. So these are all forms the respiratory system. So here functions of the respiratory system. We breathe in air through our mouth and nose. Sometimes we breathe through our mouth and sometimes by our nose. So we breathe in through our mouth and nose. From the mouth and nose, air passes through our windpipe into the lungs. So from our nose and mouth, the air passes through the windpipe to our lungs. Lungs help us absorb oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. These lungs helps in absorbing oxygen from the air and release the carbon dioxide out. Then oxygen binds with red blood cells and flows into the bloodstream. So then this oxygen goes and binds with the blood and goes all over to the body. Here the red blood cells carry the oxygen from lungs to parts of the body. So the red blood cells carry